Hey class, Mr. B here. How's everybody doing? Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Let's go ahead and pop in to the Canvas page for today to see what we have going on. Hey, thanks a lot for everybody who turned in their infographic from yesterday. Looks pretty good. Um, that probably took you a little bit longer than these typical e-learning assignments. So that's why I doubled up the point value on that. So that one was worth 40 points. And if you haven't got that turned in yet, no big deal. Let's go ahead and get it turned in by the end of Friday. That would be great. Okay, so for today, Thursday, we're in Mission 7 now. Mission 7 is all about the division within the United States that will eventually lead to political chaos and then the Civil War. So, what we have going on in this lesson is that in 1850, the United States was divided on what to do with the Western territory that it gained from Mexico in the Mexican American War. So, as that Western territory was being organized, as it was being populated, as it was ready to become states, the government had to wrestle with the question, will these states allow legalized slavery or not? And so in the year 1850, there was a big debate about California because it was ready to become a state and whether to allow slavery in California and also what to do with the other territories out in the West, like the Colorado Territory, the Arizona Territory, the New Mexico Territory, the Utah Territory. These places will become um, ready to be states soon, and so the government is wrestling with that question. So, what I want you to look at today is the Compromise of 1850. And what you're going to do is you're going to use this website, this 2-minute video clip, and you're going to fill out a graphic organizer that looks like this. Because this was a big, big compromise. There are 5 key parts to the Compromise of 1850 that will settle the question of whether or not California comes in as a slave or a free state, what to do with Utah and New Mexico, what about the slave trade in Washington, D.C., what about these continuing debates with Mexico and Texas and where the specific border is down there, which was one of the main reasons why the United States went to war with Mexico in the first place in 1846. And finally, the inclusion of a new, stronger fugitive slave law. So use the website, use the video clip, add details to the graphic organizer, and you will be done for today. Reminder, if you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, or you just want to say hi, from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock every e-learning day, you can find me in Zoom at this meeting ID and this password right here. All right, see